I recently completed a lift and shift migration of a WordPress website from a shared hosting platform to a cloud platform and informed the business owner that the migration and update of his website had been done. He then asked what it meant for him. For a split second, what went through my mind was that I thought I had highlighted to him in the proposal fees the benefits of running his website in the cloud. Then I went on to repeat what I told him initially, the benefits of running his website in the cloud. Following that conversation, I reviewed and implemented post-migration steps to ensure that there were immediate and tangible benefits, however small, that the business derived from his website running in the cloud. Now, I'm going to talk about some of these benefits. I'll talk about the technical benefits or the engineering benefits, and then I'll also talk about the business benefits of running in the cloud. Now, the technical benefits. The software architecture of the website when it was on the shared hosting platform was monolithic. By monolithic, it meant that all the files of the website, the code, the database, the images, were contained in the same server hosting the website. This meant that if there was failure that led to server outage, the whole website could go down. Now, a WordPress application by default is monolithic, and such architecture is usually a good starting point when an idea wants to be tested for viability. In a loosely coupled architecture, however, instead of being served from one server, the WordPress website can be served from three different servers, one to hold the code, one to hold the relational database, and another one to hold the media files. Now that's three servers. Each of these specialized servers are optimized for the kind of data they hold and process. This architecture reduces the risk of the entire website going down when there is a failure in one part of the website architecture. It also makes automation, scaling, and recovery from failure easier. Performance is also enhanced in a loosely coupled architecture. For example, in a lift and shift migration, just like the one I did, I opted to serve the media files of the website from Google Cloud Store, an object store. While the code that runs the WordPress website can be less than 100 megabytes in size, the media files can easily grow into tens and hundreds of gigabytes. So by storing media files in a separate server from the one that serves code, the web pages of the website can be served faster and load quicker on user devices. Furthermore, the website benefits from Google's global infrastructure for storage, maintenance, high availability, and distribution of its media files. These performance enhancements lead to improved user experience on the website. Deploying to the cloud compels a developer to adopt cloud-native software like Secure Socket Layer, SSL, Google Analytics, and standard mail delivery and tracking services. Now I'll go on to the business benefits. A WordPress application stores content in databases. Users who visit the website could leave comments and submit inquiries that can include emails and phone numbers if they wish to be contacted. With Google Analytics integrated on the website, interaction with its pages can be tracked and analyzed for insight. For example, the business can know which pages on its website are visited the most, how much time users spend on each page, the demography of its visitors, and from which sources on the web the visitors come. The insight derived from its website can inform a business of its popular services and the nature of its audience. With this information, they can run intelligent advertising campaigns, which can be monitored, measured, analyzed, and reported. Costs. Of course, there are costs associated with cloud. And one of the features of using cloud services is that the costs of running the pieces of infrastructure that run the website can be monitored and reported regularly. With its billing report, a website owner can do cost and benefit analysis of running its software applications in the cloud. So, in conclusion, as part of the lift and shift migration process, the business updated its website with content that reflected their current activities. The architecture and performance of the website was improved, leading to better user experience. In addition, modern cloud-native software was integrated for use in the monitoring and analyzing data generated by the website so that the business can take more informed decisions. So these are some of the benefits of going the cloud, and it's encouraged. It's a really contemporary and modern platform that the earlier a business gets in and understands how to use it, the better for them. The benefits will come in performance, user experience, and eventually bottom line. I think the key is to understand the technology, understand your business, and marry your interests with the technology so that you get the most out of it. Businesses that know how to use technology will get ahead, will improve their productivity, and get ahead of the competition. Thank you.